So we're less than a couple of months away from the Unpacked event for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and as expected, we finally have our very first hands-on leak of the handset, revealing how it's gonna look in real life. Spoiler, it looks beautiful. Unfortunately, I can't share the images here due to copyright reasons. However, I uploaded the same video on my second channel, the link to which is in the description. Join me there for a closer look. For those who prefer not to go, let me provide you with a glimpse based on the leaked images. The screen is now confirmed to be flat, ensuring an enhanced S Pen writing experience with no sliding off the edges. This also means that finding an affordable and good quality screen protector is no longer a hassle. The S24 Ultra is available in a silver, or should I say a titanium-like color reminiscent of the titanium on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and it's truly stunning. Despite my previous stance on light-colored phones in my S23 Ultra review, this one is already changing my mind, especially with its titanium frame making it a real eye-catcher. The phone adopts a more squared-off look reminiscent of past Sony phones. Overall, the S24 Ultra shares a striking resemblance to the S23 Ultra, with differences lying in the color options, the flat display, symmetrical bezels, and an overall sharper rectangular design. Moving on, here's a cool feature that I'm sure many of you didn't know existed. You see, Samsung phones have this cool feature called Hyperlapse, which lets you create dynamic time-lapse videos on the fly. But what if you missed the chance during your travels? Well, no problem. Samsung Gallery has this unique 24-hour time-lapse feature. Simply select a landscape photo, and if it's compatible, a clock-like icon pops up in the lower right corner. Give it a tap and that's it. The Gallery app transforms your static landscape photo into a captivating 12-second time-lapse, simulating a full 24-hour cycle. It's like reliving the essence of a day in just a few seconds. With that said, to see the actual images of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, click here and I'll see you there.